The Bailiwick Academy is known as a baking and cooking platform. So bakit mayroong Microsoft Excel? Now, kung inyong matatandaan, during the very first months of the Bailiwick Academy, laging tanong is yung costing, paano mag-compute. Common na nilalagay yung mga ingredients nila sa Microsoft Excel. So to automate, nag-send out tayo ng template and yun na yung ginamit na basehan for computing your costing. Now, since yung mga students natin is lumalaki na yung kanilang business, so nagiging komplikado na yung laman ng kanilang file. So better we teach them now how to do Microsoft Excel so that hindi na sila masyado mahihirapan. Why is it important for entrepreneurs to learn basic Excel? So like I said earlier, not all would have access to tools, and hindi naman lagi nagre-rely lahat sa tools na nabibili outside. So you need Microsoft Excel for your other computations and for you to madali nyo makita yung inyong data. Madali kayong makapag-decide. Pwede nyo mag-graph yung numbers ninyo para hindi masyadong kasi pag puro numero lang makikita nyo sa file, hindi ba medyo nakakatakot tingnan for some people. So Microsoft Excel helps you manage those numbers for you to understand your business. The way Microsoft Excel helps existing businesses, it helps the same way yung mga gustong mag-startup ng kanilang mga negosyo. So you will have a place to put in your information, yung data. Makikita nyo from start to end kung lumalago nga yung negosyo nyo. Makikita nyo yung numero nyo lumalaki. At saka, pag may binago kayo, automatic na babago yung buong file. Hindi na kayo maghahanap pa. You need to have, of course, a place, a computer, your tablet. I would suggest to have your laptop or your personal computer because Microsoft Excel would have different versions. Sa laptops and desktops, complete yung version ng Excel. And it's much easier for you to manipulate the data. And it's much easier also for your eyes to look at the numbers. Can non-techie people learn Microsoft Excel from this class? Yes, I've made this especially for people who try to avoid Microsoft Excel. So papasimplify natin yan. Kailangan talaga nyo gamitin yan for your business. So we'll make it simpler for you and easy to understand. So ano pang inaantay nyo? Tara, let's learn Excel here at the Bailiwick Academy.